In this video, let's talk about how to use the Bybit Earn feature. Now, in order to use this feature within the Bybit application, you could either head over to the Lite or Pro version, depending upon the version that you use. And right here on the bottom, within the Lite section, you should be able to see the option of Earn being displayed. Now, within this section, there are multiple things that you could do. First of all, you could select a product category. So for example, you could select the Easy Earn or the On-Chain Earn option, depending upon what you'd like. And then you could subscribe and activate it. You could simply tap on the buy crypto option or locate your cryptocurrency, where you could simply tap on the invest now or the stake now option. This will allow you to manage and redeem your assets. So within this section, you could track your passive yields or the centralized Bybit earning dashboard, which will consolidate all of your investments within one section. You could also see the APR that you could receive by simply tap on the Earn APR that is being displayed within this section as well. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, and let's see you in the next one.